garage door opens slowly now. A spirit of an era comes alive on this brow. 1/18 scale, the details are grand. Solido did it again, the best in the land. Chase the dust of the road in matte black, or hold on to freedom with an orange track. This isn't just a VW T1, it's a legend. Harley's roar and Herbie's joy, a perfect blend. From navy and yellow shells to the open street, unboxing this beauty makes the day complete. The heart of the collection, metal's finest style. A T1 pickup makes every shelf worth the while. Number 53 on top, the speed of the race. Herbie's soul is found in every cream-colored space. Then we turn for a moment to the Scandinavian hand.